Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Ubuntu Server 22.04.5 LTS version on VMWare Workstation. First go to Ubuntu official website, that is releases.ubuntu.com. See here we have the following LTS releases. So click on this Ubuntu 22.04.5 LTS. It is Jemmy Jellyfish. See here we have the two types of images, desktop and server image. We are going to install server edition. So see here we have the direct ISO download and torrent download. Either is fine. Click on this ISO. See download started. See here its size is 2 GB. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMWare Workstation. Create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Either is fine. So click on create a new virtual machine, then click on next, then select the downloaded ISO image. Select the ISO image, click on open, then click on next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving UBS 22.04.5 LTS VM. Name can be anything. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on browse, then go to the path or drive where you have the NS space. Click on next. Then here we have to provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 100 GB. Then click on next. See, by default memory selected as 4 GB, number of CPU cores 2. Okay, and select this one, that is power on this virtual machine after creation. Still if you want edit settings, click on customize hardware. Then you can edit or click on finish. Now also you can edit the settings. Click on edit virtual machine settings or right click settings or go to VM and settings. All three options are same to edit the settings of this virtual machine. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine or right click and select the power, then power on. Okay, so click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install Ubuntu Server, and hit enter. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control from your keyboard to release the cursor. Now we have to select the language by using up and down arrows, then select it and hit enter. Installer updater available. So I don't want, so select continue without updating and hit enter. Select the language, let's select the keyboard language and come to done by using tab. Okay, then select done and hit enter. See here, choose the type of installation. Use the tab and go to Ubuntu Server or come down Ubuntu Server minimize. I am going with Ubuntu Server. Then come down to done and hit enter. See, network information populated, select done and hit enter. I don't want to configure the proxy, so keep it as blank and done and hit enter. Select done and hit enter, continue and hit enter. Now see here, guided storage configuration. I am going with the default, so I am not going to do anything. So select done and hit enter. See, this is the storage configuration information. For okay with all the settings, done. Select done. If you want to reset, select reset. Or if you want to go back, select the back. So I am okay with the settings. So select done and hit enter. This is just confirmation for the configuration. So you can select done and select continue and hit enter. Now we have to set up or create user. So provide username. This is user full name. Then provide the server name. Server name or host name. Later also you can change the host name. Provide the username. The above one is the user full name. Set the password for this user. Then select done and hit enter. See here, upgrade to Ubuntu Pro. I don't want, but if you want upgrade, come down here, select this enable by using spacebar. I don't want, so come down and select the press this spacebar, skip for now and come to down, come to continue and hit enter. If you want to install, open a SSH server, just give the spacebar and tab to come down to done and hit enter. If you want to add featured server snaps, you have to select this one. If you want to select, just give the spacebar. I don't want any one of them, so select done and hit enter. See, Ubuntu server installation has been started. This may take time. I am going to pause this. At the end, it will ask us to restart the Ubuntu server. Then we will restart and perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now use the tab and come down to this reboot now and hit enter. See, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. So select Alt tab to release the cursor, then right click on this virtual machine settings, then come to the CD DVD, then device status and select these both, that is connected and connected power on, and click on OK. Then come to here and hit enter. See, now it is rebooting. Now provide the username and password that we have given. See here, we have installed Ubuntu Server 22.04.5 LTS version. See, this is system information of the Ubuntu Server. If you want to verify, Ctrl L to clear screen, more /etc os-release. See here, we have installed Ubuntu Server 22.04.5 and its code name is Gemini. Okay, Ctrl L. If you want to verify the IP of this machine, just give ifconfig. See, ifconfig is not found. You can also get the IP of the machine by using IP-addr. See, this is the IP of the machine. You can, but if you want to get IP of the machine by using ifconfig, we have to install this net tool, sudo apt install net-tools. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Installation completed. Ctrl L. Now run again ifconfig. See, we got the IP. See here, this is the IP of the machine. Okay. If you want to verify the host name, just give host name. See, this is the host name that we have given. The next step is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. These services needs to be restarted, so select OK and hit enter. All done. We have successfully updated and upgraded. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Ubuntu Server 22.04.5 LTS version on VMWare Workstation. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.